Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma uloong ba kinrevli ki Jaka ki de ki ba kham e bat amla ban bu por lupa na banta ban la ban penbet ye ki jing ka ja ndre uloong ba ubna ba Ïakynduh la niu Naitung kan sadan Biang ki Ïakynduh apreng ki arngot ki Myntri Rangbah hadien bala la ban pendep ye ki kam de ki regional committee bat ki la banon ki Jaka ki ba ki atli ki Jylliew kin poi shi ki jing la ban penbet
to kajing Ïakynduh hapdeng ki arngot ki Myntri Rangbah Myntri Rangbah kami keliau konrat ki sangma ba Myntri Rangbah ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kadang sudah mentah sipang hangni hapo state guest house hakaba kilami bro arngut banyatho sekilat pathai kuat habidai bat kirai ba maki kilasim hakani kajing elang ki rai ki bakham kongsan ba kini ki arngut kilasim hakani kajing elang kilong ba ha ubnai Jylliew hani ubnai banwan kin select ban Jngoh yaki Jaka hangte po Karbi Anglong bat kabahap po West Janti Hills nang ba kum kajing penslur ba kajing ai mensiam ban penek ya kasuk kesan bat ban wanra ru kajing ya stu jing mut hapdeng ki arjat ban riu na bro arteli ki Jaka kata West Janti Hills district bat po Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council te karai ka baar kalong ba kini ki regional committee ki ba ka sarkar Assam bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ki lathau kin pendep ya kijing ya ki kam ki ba laben set haki bat hau benai ba nyau kata hau Naitung kin sadan Biang kajing Ïakynduh bakin sapha ru ki kai phat jongki nang ba kini ki arngut ki Myntri Rangbah jongki jela kin Ïakynduh bat kin ya keren Biang ya kita ki kai phat ki ba kin sayo Biang mentang sngap ya kajing patai kam benya na kini ki arngut ki Myntri Rangbah kata na konrat ki sangma bat na Himanta Biswa Sarma
Minister of Meghalaya and his team for continuing the border talks, which we temporarily suspended because of the elections in Meghalaya. As you know, we have already settled 6 areas of dispute, and from today, the regional committees of both the states will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 areas of disputes much earlier than what we are expecting. So this is what I want to say, and I will request CM Meghalaya to address all of you.
Thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place, And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time. And during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Along and West Jylliew Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest, but during that process we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Hima ji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences. And we have asked them to discuss with different officials and the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having hosted this meeting.
Anything keep in mind? Look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea. But what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are
This 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we have decided to progress, we have decided to go ahead with the spirit of friendship. And we believe that solution will come out, but we don't want to put a time.
Habakili kumnu ka sarkar Assam kan shimi ki senjam ban la ban penbet yo uput haki Jaka Jngoh Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council namar ba ka jupen bat ka dan la ka jong ka bor habaya de ki Jaka ki puta jongka himantau lo ang ba ka sarkar Assam bat ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ki ki ju ha ka we ki jilla ndai le tho ba ki nong mi kmat ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ki dan lang ha ka regional committee jong ka Assam bat ki dan ki rukom trai kam ha ka ba baro artli ki bor ki shimlang ka jingshania iwe pan bat ka ba ka sarkar Assam ka shimrai ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ru ka ban priang da ka jingsong tho lang berkait ke baka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Shimrai, ke Haphi Banyathu Shaka Sarkar Assam.
Biang is also part of Assam. There are administrative mechanisms where lands have been given to Karbi Anglong Council by the Constitution of India. But having said that, the representative from Karbi Anglong Council is also member of the regional committee. And you must understand that we are not two different entities. Whatever Assam government will decide will take into Karbi Anglong into the confidence, and whatever Karbi Anglong will decide, they will take Assam government into confidence. So their issue is complicated, but when we want to resolve it, it can be resolved.
Haba unong thok kubor ubu jinkali halor ka notification jong snam khat khandai spa san phoi. Hakabay re ki Jaka kum hakithan block 2 hakba ki Jaka ki shapan ngat sha Assam. Barka jingdan kam ban khali ka te notification Hima lo ong ba ya ki jinet ki jinat ki badan kam an sapet bnya ada ki regional committee jong baro artli ki jilla.
Going to the details of the nitty-gritty, this will be looked after by the regional committees.
Nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ke Jylliew ukondot ke sangma ulaya thu bakidon Leit regional committee kibala thau da baro artli ke Jylliew badya kini ke regional committee in khli de ki Myntri sarkar hak bakin don nang ru kinomi khman ulong baki kam ju ki regional committee kalong man pendap ki kam hak bakin penlong bontli ki Ïakynduh bad jinga selok kumbala le ki regional committee ki baminchwa.
There are 3 regional committees from both the state governments, all headed by cabinet ministers. And the regional committees have got different stakeholders, especially local representatives. And as I said, the regional committees, as done before, they will be consulting and conducting several meetings with many stakeholders. So our idea is that we want to really take everybody together and find an amicable solution.